Saturday morning. It's really windy, 16 to 20 mile an hour wind. I took my kayak out today, kayaked through these flag ponds, got into a head where it's a pinch point. A bunch of funnels come into this one little area. This is the second year in a row that they burn this area for some reason. They burn off the brush and everything. I don't like when they burn it. It's not as good. I didn't know it was going to be burnt. I didn't scout it this year, but I killed a deer here last year. I ended up coming in blind. I ended up sitting in the same tree. It's kind of weird, but the only thing is that's killing me is this wind. It's really windy. I'm just now getting enough camera light so I can start filming my intro, and now we're gonna see what happens. This is Saturday, I got one more day left, and I might not hunt tomorrow, so today may be my last day. No luck in this morning's hunt. I'm about to get down now. The wind is just kicking. It's got to be 25 mile an hour wind. It's really strong. Right now it's actually a little break, but I don't have a fuzzy thing on my mic here, so it's not a good time to be filming either. So it's gonna be, audio's not gonna be great. But I'm gonna shoot a stump or something here, my bow, to make sure it's still on, and we're probably gonna try to wind bump a little bit later today with my buddy. See if we can get on two sides of the heads, walk to them or something, or vice versa, and see if we can bump one up. With the wind being as strong as it is, it's the only thing I can think happening. Walking up on them in their beds, and if they smell you, bump out, hopefully go to the other guy. We're gonna try that, but right now, done here this morning. It's 11 o'clock. Just haven't seen anything. The birds aren't even moving or anything. It's just so windy. Back in the wind again. Super windy out today or tonight. Instead of going in deep like I've been doing, getting deeper and deeper, I'm actually right on the road. You can actually see it in the camera behind me. Last night I was walking in here. There was a nice buck track on that road. And then I got back in there, found scrapes and rubs and all that stuff back there. But when I was walking out, right after dark, his tracks were on top of my tracks again. So I got in on a trail here where I could see a bunch of deer coming and going. Right there. Coming and going right through here. So I'm on their trail now, and I'm right on the road. We'll see what happens here. It's pretty windy again. I hope it calms down.
luck this year. I don't understand that. It's freaking. I didn't have enough time to turn the camera. These two does come flying in here like I spooked them, but they're upwind, so there's no way they smelled me. They ran into freaking 20 yards here and head down running like something definitely spooked them. I heard them come across the water. I only got about 15 minutes of camera light left. I didn't even get a chance to turn the camera quick enough because they were running so fast. I stopped them, and then I took a shot, and it was so alert. It jumped the arrow. The arrow went right where I put it, but the deer wasn't there anymore. It's freaking crazy. Missed twice this week. That was them. I could have took that shot right there too, but I was trying to get it on camera this time. That's a 30-yard shot. She probably would have definitely jumped that. She jumped 20, so. Kind of small does anyway.